So now let's see how we can utilize the sample merged in clone tool. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto the clone tool, and this goes for the healing brush tool as well. So you can utilize both. I'm going to go around onto clone right here, just like this. So now over here, you can see that this particular layer is here, and if I were to go around and hold control and take a sample and start drawing, it simply starts drawing out the clone right over here on the right hand side, but this is on the same layer. But let's say what I want to do is I want to start cloning in another layer. So let me just press Ctrl Z. So over here, I'm going to click on the new layer button right here and press OK. So once you do that, you can see that I got another layer. So now what I can do is I can go around and hold Alt on my keyboard and then click, not Alt, but Control on my keyboard and click. And if I were to click and drag, nothing happens because it took the sample of this particular layer right here where there is no data. So what I want to do is I want to enable sample merged, and in that case, whatever you see will be taken as a sample. So I'm going to go around and hold Control on my keyboard and click right here, and I'm going to select the new layer. And then if I were to click, then what happens is that now you start seeing out the copied out element right here, just like this, and this stays on this particular layer over here. So if I were to go around onto move, you can see that this is on a separate piece of layer right here. So I can just go around and move this out, and you can see the opacity right here. I can go around and change it out, and you can see that that is what you have. And this is how you can go around and utilize the sample merge option so that you can draw content of one layer to other inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.